don't know if I'm going to get in your way. Hope not.
Not at the moment. Crystal is.
Yeah, but I might get the camera in front of yours, like.
It's just underneath it.
Mum,
go for a wee then. You can go on your own.
Kind of storm like this, you don't want to keep the camera in the place too long. Somewhere over there. Already towards Ramsgate. Oh, nice.
I got that.
I think I did as well.
With your head.
Right, my head. Uh-oh, fix. Uh-oh, and then they'll come in.
Nice bit of sheet lightning that was, wasn't it?
Yeah,
I know
got your head right at the end.
But the thing is, I can't see that through this. I have to poke my head out because I've got to watch where I'm creeping the camera.
No, you watch through the camera, not the...
Yeah, but wherever my head faces, the camera faces as well. So if I see it with my eyes, I know I've seen it with the camera.
I just watched the
Clever technique, that is.
No, I just watched the camera screen.
It's clever technique.
So I did catch it, but I missed it, if you know what I mean.
You probably caught some of the light. Sorry, but...
It's probably recording very nice. Oh no, that's going up or going down.
I don't know where that was.
I got the flash, but I don't think
No.
Mum,
Stop being quiet. Told you when I was watching the weather forecast yesterday. I said it would happen.
At least I told you. Jenny told me, Jenny told everyone, and I told you. A new YouTube video about the time.
Yeah, they Claire's been watching, and whatever her name is, across the road. Be careful, rain's picking up, so it might be a closer one. Eh? Well, so do I, but not too close, eh?
No, not too close. Just one that can look good on my camera.
Where was that?
Oh, no, flash, I didn't catch. I'm lifting Hollyoaks for you.
Oh, for me, you're the
No,
one.
not for you. Thunder.
I think that was above us, just at the back, because I mean that was close, but... Good thing is that wind's calmed down, so I can push the camera out a bit more forwards. Nothing. Wait, clean the lens. Thank you. Behind us.
I'm just getting the flashes now, I don't know how.
Becca's house.
Over there. Well, let's just hope I get plenty of footage and decent details with lightning bolts. That's what I'd like. But quite a few of them's just been behind us.
I'm getting lots of
Close. Sorry. Just try and push it out a bit more. There's no rain here. Push it out a bit more.
Get my new camera wet.
Come on.
I think. Wait. Okay. Up there as well. It's just behind us.
Mum.
Shh. Be quiet when the thunder's happening.
It's thunder.
The rain's coming down, that helps. I knew this was going to happen as soon as I saw those, when I said to you about the green patch, but that was 1 o'clock in the morning. Looks like these showers have turned up early.
Someone fix that window.
Okay.
That terribly clever thing at the window.
Oh, somewhere behind us, a couple of faint flashes. Don't do anything, not yet, please.
Is that pervert or is that his dad?
Where?
At the window.
Oh, that looks like
No,
Stephen.
Becca.
I don't know if
That's just behind us.
Oh,
I might attempt to go up in the bedroom in a minute and try and stick the